Hi everybody, welcome to this quick video. I'm going to show you how to automatically hide your desktop icons using an automation workflow and a simple script. And this is really useful for people who are doing screen sharing, either live streaming or otherwise, and don't want to show actually what's on their desktop. So to have a nice clean desktop when you're sharing your screen. The next step after that is I'm going to show you how to then add that automated workflow and use it as a simple StreamDeck action. At the click of a button, you can toggle your desktop icons on and off. Right, first thing we need to do is run the Automator program. And we'll just type in Automator. And this is built into all Macs. And this is a simple automated workflow that allows you to run various commands, scripts, and things on your Mac. What we're actually going to do is create a new application so we can run this. We click on Application, choose New, and then we're going to run a series of terminal commands. So we need to run a shell script. And these commands are going to be run within your Mac system, and it's going to tell your Mac to either show or hide your desktop icons from the Finder command. And I found this script on the internet, and I'll paste it in the video below. So I'm just going to copy all of this in here. And what this script is going to do is toggle between a true and false state to show and hide your icons. The command that we're going to write to is called com.apple.finder create desktop. And we just change the state of that to either true or false. And this script is going to basically read the current state and toggle between the two. And the command that it's going to do that is called kill all finder. And it's just going to restart the Finder application within your Mac, and it's going to change the state based on what it knows around the current state right now. So for example, all my icons are currently being shown, so that would mean they're in the true state, and it's going to toggle now to a false state and hide all these icons. So I'm just going to simply run this script, and as you can see, all my icons have now disappeared. It's in now the false state, and then when it reads the script again, it's going to say, it's already in false. I'm now going to change it to true, and it's going to bring the icons back to my desktop. It's really that simple, and there's no need to buy a third-party application to do that. So let's save this off. Let's go to File and Save within Automator, and we'll give it a name. So we'll just call it Desktop Icon Hide. Let's pop it into the Applications folder for now. It's going to be saved as an application. So save that off. We can now close Automator down and get rid of the script. Now let's just do new. And let's go to our applications, and you'll see it in here. If I remember the name, of course. We'll just do latest one. So desktop icon hide. So I double click and all the icons have gone. It's just going to restart Finder. And if you do new, you'll still see that all your folders are still here. But obviously, when you run the application, it's going to restart the Finder. So let's do that again. Double click. The window will disappear, but my icons come back. So now let's make a button within StreamDeck to run this application. So let's bring up the StreamDeck application. And we're going to configure StreamDeck. We just got a blank area here where we can just add our new application. So we need to find this in System, and we're going to do Open. And this is basically going to open a utility. In this particular case, it's going to be our desktop icon program that we've just created. So desktop, give it a name, called desktop hide. And then we're going to search for the application that we've just created in Automator. So we'll find that. We'll go to Applications, do Date Added, click on Desktop Hide, click OK. And there you can see, you can change the icon. I'm going to close this down. But now when I toggle on my StreamDeck, which you can't see, I can just toggle these on and off, simply bringing the icons back after they've been hidden. Very simple. It's a great workflow, just using the built-in tools in your Mac. No third-party applications. Let me know in the comments if this is useful, and I will speak to you in the next video.